One of the biggest mistakes beginners make in affiliate marketing is choosing the wrong niche. If you pick the wrong niche, you will struggle to get views, clicks, or sales. But if you choose the right one, you can turn a simple YouTube video, Facebook post, or WhatsApp message into daily income. In this video, I will show you exactly how to pick a profitable niche step by step, even if you are just starting out. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ben Power, and here I teach practical ways to make money online through affiliate marketing and digital skills. If you are serious about growing your income online, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I drop new videos every week to help you win online. So first, what is a niche? A niche is simply your specific area of focus, the topic or category of products you want to promote. For example, instead of promoting everything online, you focus on one area like health and fitness, finance and business, relationship and dating, technology and gadgets, education and online skills. Your niche is like your business direction. It determines the kind of audience you attract and the kind of money you make. When choosing a niche, there are three powerful rules I want you to follow. Rule number one, choose what you understand or enjoy. Don't pick a niche just because it sounds profitable. Pick something you can talk about naturally. If you love business, talk about business. If you enjoy tech, focus on gadgets or tools. When you enjoy your topic, creating content becomes fun, not stressful. Rule number two, make sure it solves a problem. People spend money to solve problems, so a good niche should have a clear pain point or need. For example, in the finance niche, people want to make money or save money. In health, they want to lose weight or look better. In digital marketing, they want to grow their business or earn online. If your niche doesn't solve a problem, it won't bring sales. Rule number three, check profit potential. You can love a niche, but if nobody is spending money in it, it won't pay you. Before choosing, check if products in that niche are selling on affiliate platforms like seller.co, Digisteam, Esplanade, Impact.com, Clickbank. If there are active offers, it means there is money flowing in that niche. That's a green light. To make it easy for you, here are 5 proven profitable niche you can start with today. Making money online, digital marketing, teach people how to earn online, promote courses or tools, health and fitness, promoting weight loss, supplement or fitness program, relationship and self-improvement, promoting dating or personal growth courses, technology and software, promoting gadgets, apps and digital tools, education and skill development, promoting online courses, ebooks or digital skills training. These niches have millions of buyers worldwide and are always in demand. There is a quick formula that works. I call it the 3P system. Passion, pick what you enjoy. Problem, make sure people are looking for solutions. Profit, confirm people are already spending money in that niche. If your niche passes all three, congratulations, you have found a good man. Now that you know how to pick a profitable niche, your next step is learning how to promote it effectively, and I'll be showing that in my next video. If you got value from this one, please like this video, subscribe and share it with someone who is already to start affiliate marketing the right way. And if you want a full beginner's guide that walks you through the process of setting up your affiliate business step by step, check the link in my description. It's a complete course designed for beginners who want to start earning fast.